Question I get asked a lot is, what things is the hospital gonna give me? What things should I pack? So I'm just gonna tell you really quick what things my hospital has. Keep in mind, every hospital is gonna be completely different. I recommend, if you're not sure about something, to just call ahead and ask. Most all of them should have all the things you need to do peri-care. A peri bottle, regular maxi pad, have cold packs and hot packs, do have briefs in different sizes, regular and then large. I would say Depends, it's worth it to bring your own Depends. They just fit better, they're a little bit more comfortable. Diapers, we do have wipes. We have several sizes of diapers, but some might be limited in the size, the brand, so if that matters to you, just letting you know. My hospital has all of the things for breastfeeding. We have pumps, have all the pump parts, we have different flanges, nipple shields, we have shells. Some people like to bring their own pump because they want to be walked through how to use it. We might not always know how to use it, but we'll help you figure it out. All the things for formula, slow flow, regular flow nipples, usually several different kinds of formula. Really, truly, we have everything you absolutely need. It's more just kind of like if there's different things you want. We have body wash, shampoo, combs. The thing we don't have at my hospital is nail clippers or nail files, which a lot of people do ask for. Tux pads, benzocaine spray. So does it cost you or not? This also depends on the hospital. Things are chargeable, some things are not. It just varies on the hospital. Don't be afraid to ask. So don't hesitate to ask if you can have extra to take home.